เกษตรวิถีพุทธ Buddhist Agriculture
Buddhist agriculture development. It is bound to the way of life of Thai society from the past to the present. Buddhist teachings related to agriculture. It has been inherited for more than 2,500 years, which appears in many primary scriptures, such as in the Vinaya Pitaka Mahabhagavata scriptures, etc., with a doctrine that is consistent with the life and well-being of society and has a relationship with the king. The influence of teachings in Buddhism, which does not only teach about life but also includes the occupation of agriculture, which is Sama vocational preference, which is the way of life of most people in the countryside. The various forms of sustainable agriculture, there is a difference diversified according to the nature of the ecology, socioeconomic and cultural. Sustainable farming approaches can be categorized into 6 types. Namely, shifting cultivation system, agroforestry, integrated agriculture, organic agriculture, natural agriculture, and new theory agriculture. It is an ecosystem designed by humans from natural ecosystems and access to nature, or the Trinity. Therefore, it is the ultimate spiritual development. The elements of Buddhist agriculture are the Buddhist paradigm, Buddhist agricultural way of life, maintaining the balance of nature and the environment according to Buddhist agriculture principles, and self-reliance.
In the park นาขุมวิเกตเซเว่นเดชางซับดิสทริกพรหมพิรามดิสทริกพิษณุโลกวันเข็น and first cause and pro important not enough to innovate next time. There is not the earth of pollution and chemical
that causes weeds in rice fields, or the vegetable plot has deteriorated, and insects as well as chemical residues both in water and in soil. The output is therefore not of quality and standard quantity, causing a lot of wasted expenditure. It's also a health impact, make sudden worse, and have chronic disease, which is the result of pesticide. Thus changing the way of farmers using chemical agriculture back to the peasant way, organic farming. Overall, the headman Nakam said that if we inject chemicals into rice fields and vegetable plots, in 3 hours, it will make the animal or fish in the dead water. Organic fertilizers have been invented using a mixture of wormwood, neem leaves, and bark of the neem tree, which will be mixed with water 1 rai per 200 cc. Mr. Manat Buakam, leader of Banakum community, tell the way of life of the villagers, chemicals, and the changes that occur nowadays. The cost of farming 1 rai is over 4,000 baht, but selling the Korean for less than 4,000 baht, sold and nothing left. Fertilizers and medicines are still more expensive every year. The solution is to increase revenue, reduce expenses, reduce costs. In 2014, IGAT has come to spark the story organic farming using Peas Network, allowing us to learn about fertilizing bio-fermented water from pea. It shows that the cost of medicine and fertilizer has decreased. We are satisfied. Farming costs and vegetable cultivation increase productivity per rai, or produce chemical reagents. Mrs. Kemthong Chansorn, villagers who participated in organic farming, said that the cost of fertilizer these days is expensive. It was very wasteful. Want to reduce expenses within the family when P comes to recommend help with organic farming and experimenting with volunteer farming plots of 5 rai. Clean cultivated rice, safe, no chemical additives, harmless, can be eaten in the family. Mothers and relatives took them to make merit at the temple, offering them to monks. They felt very good. Make clean rice and it's safe. Organic farming project showing that the doctrine of religion applied in real life make me misgiving. Think about the recipient and change method of farming from chemical farming to organic farming. Organic farming is one of our pride in helping the community build a strong community network for stable and sustainable growth, with an emphasis on self-reliance. Organic farming. Sour herb marinade. The raw materials are kaffir, lime, tamarind, okra, orange peel, and all kinds of citrus herbs. Properties especially insect repellent. How to make herbal marinade. 30 kilograms of herbs, bergamot, lemon, tamarind, ochre, orange peel and medicinal plants. Microbial accelerator, PD.2, 1 sachet dissolved in 3 liters of clean water. -5 kilograms of molasses, -10 liters of clean water. Put the container, close the lid tightly, leave for 15 days, during which time to loosen the lock to release the pressure every 5 to 7 days per time. The rate of use: mix 200 to 500 times with water. Spray.